Okay, welcome back to Ronnys Games. Today, right before Christmas, we actually have a 5-pack of Hot Wheels. This is Hot Wheels City, and I got it because of the bread box. Looks like it has frozen treats in it. That one's not too bad. The rest of these I don't really care about. But these are the castings that are in there. Time Shifter, Surf Duty, Night Stalker, Bread Box, and Drone Duty. Okay. Yes, I believe that's Surf Duty. There's a lot of duty. Here's our barcode. Well, let's get the bread box out of there for sure. And then we'll take a quick look at some of the other ones. Oh, yeah, that looks good. So we got frozen treats, some gold wheels. Here is the, which way is it? Here's the base. Kind of hard for me to see that in real life. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. There's that one. Here's the pizza delivery. This is the Time Shifter. You know, a lot of these cars have cutouts on top now, so they can save on the metal, on the die cast. There's that one. Which one is this? Drone Duty. That's what I thought it was. It kind of looks like a drone. Not much metal on this car. Let's see. What is metal on here? This very... Man, that feels like plastic too. This entire car feels like plastic pretty much. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think anything's metal on that car at all. With this Night Shifter, you got a metal body on this one, but again, a lot of the top is cut out. Got some oversized tires on it. And this is the Surf Duty. Do you like the brown, has the sand colored wheels on it? So the body of this is metal. The actual body with a lifeguard. So that's on the back. I don't know if that's anything on the back. Here's the base. There we go. I like these two castings. The pizza one is okay. These two, I might actually just get rid of those. I don't know.